Hi there, Melody from WTI, and you just caught me before I was going to head out for a little nap. I love these Qutool pillows. They're bamboo and they're cool memory gel pillows. Oh my goodness, I've got to tell you how amazing these are.
Why do I think these are the best cooling gel pillows? Well, they are made with 40% bamboo fiber rayon, great for those with allergies. The material will allow any kind of ventilation to go through and whisk away any kind of moisture from the skin. And then we have the foam that's inside are infused with temperature regulating cooling gel particles. So it'll keep you nice and cool for a perfect night's sleep. This pillow is thick and firm. It will not flatten as you shift through the night. And it has a 5-year warranty, which is awesome. And for the perfect night's sleep, you can adjust this bamboo pillow to fit you. You just remove the foam or add it, depending on what you'd like. Depending on your sleep experience you want, whether it's for the side sleepers, the back sleepers, stomach sleepers, and even pregnant sleepers. This will not flatten. We won't have to re-fluff it up in the middle of the night because it's made just for you.
So, if you're looking for an incredibly good night's sleep, these are the pillows for you. They're luxurious, they're cooling, they are bamboo, they're beautiful, and they'll give you an incredibly good night's sleep. That is my point of view.